Hold on to your hats because these animals are about to blow your mind. Let's dive into the top 5 most intelligent animals. Starting with number 5, octopuses. These underwater geniuses can solve puzzles and even escape from jars. At number 4, we have elephants. They can recognize themselves in mirrors and show empathy towards others. Coming in at number 3, dolphins. They have their own language and can even call each other by name. Number 2, ravens. These birds are master tool users and can plan for the future. And finally, at number 1, chimpanzees. They share 98% of our DNA and can learn sign language. Pretty amazing, right? Next time you're around these animals, give them a little extra respect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome animal facts.